Sabay-sabay na po natin isabi ang kanilang medalya. Once again, congratulations, grade 9 Loyola. For the second set of awardees, Romento Princess Dane B with honors. Rivera Jovan C with honors. Tagakay Myra Joy C with honors and a conduct awardee. Kalosing Jenny J with honors. Toktok Princess Joy C with honors. Zilambo Aaron Kyle S with honors and a conduct awardee. Amirol Myra A, conduct awardee. Bulaklak John Paul P, conduct awardee. And Del Rosario Christian Paul C, conduct awardee. Sabay-sabay na po natin isabi ang kanilang medalya. Once again, congratulations to the awardees of grade 9 Loyola.
I have the honor to present to you the academic awardees of grade 7 MICA under the guidance of their advisor, Ma'am Lenny D. Carbonell. Malana Chloe B. G. with honors and conduct awardee. Marquez Joanna H. with honors, conduct awardee. Flores Debbie Claire A. with honors and conduct awardee. Lacuna Billy Rose A. with honors and conduct awardee. Santiago Lily L. with honors and conduct awardee. And Galapon Carmela with honors and conduct awardee. Pagkita po tayo. Pwede nyo na pong isabit ang kanilang medal. Once again, the awardees of grade 7 MICA. Congratulations. I have the honor to present to you the academic awardees of grade 9 Ateneo under the supervision of their proud advisor, Gina under the supervision of their proud advisor, Ma'am Pamela Marie Binen. With high honors and conduct awardee, Abigail Cachuela. With high honors and conduct awardee, Fiona Marie Polinas. With honors, Mike Owen Bakir. Another with honors, Yesha